Boom! How are we doing, ladies, gents, boys and girls? Welcome back. I hope you're good. Today I'm making for you 3 variations of a daiquiri.
Tom Dyer!
We're making the classic daiquiri, the strawberry daiquiri, and a chili daiquiri. So, let's get straight to it. But if you are new and you haven't seen this channel before, this is the first time we've met. First of all, it's nice to meet you. Please feel free to hit the subscribe button because that will tell you when I upload more videos. And at the moment, I'm uploading a video every single day whilst we are in this coronavirus lockdown. I know some people, they've been there for quite some time, but for me, it's self-isolation type situation for a couple of weeks. Anyway, you don't care. Let's move on to the video. So we're gonna start with the classic daiquiri. Now, what you gotta know about the daiquiri is you can't really go wrong. Rum, lime, sugar. That's the classic daiquiri, rum, lime, sugar. From that, you can add other stuff and just to sort of balance out flavors, and you've got yourself different flavors of daiquiri. So anyway, I'm gonna show you right now. So to begin with, I want to chill this glass, and this is gonna be shake and fine strain. We're doing a large measure of rum. We're just using standard white rum for the classic daiquiri. 25 mils of lime juice and 12.5 mils of sugar syrup. That's it, okay? We want to give this a nice strong shake. There we go. Oh, yeah. Now, some people don't fine strain their classic daiquiris. I like to fine strain it because I want to get rid of all those little ice crystals. I think the drink tastes better. I think it looks better. And I think people will enjoy it a lot more. Still a little bit more in there. Oh, can't go wrong with the daiquiri. I'm going to just put on a small lime peel. Squeeze it on the drink, around the rim, give it a twist. Drop it in the glass. Boom. Classic daiquiri. Simple as that. Right, moving on to our spicy daiquiri. I've got this fancy glass. Ooh, I think it's worth a lot of money. Let's not break it. Want to get some ice in there? And the same thing as before, shaken. Now I'm making a spicy daiquiri, so I'm gonna use some of this Old J spiced rum. And we need 50 mils. That's 2 parts rum going directly into the drink. The normal lime, 25 mils of lime. And 12.5 mils of sugar. Now for the spice, if you've got yourself some jalapenos at home, you can just throw in 3 slices of those or a little bit of jalapeno, however spicy you want it, and that will do the job. Now I'm using, this is basically spicy ketchup. Oh, my eyes are already starting to water a little bit from the spice. It's not that spicy, it's just delicious. We need to give that a nice strong shake. Oh. Oh, yes. And for this garnish, what I've got here is a cayenne pepper. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to dab this over the glass. Get a napkin, and I'm just going to tidy that up around there. Fine strain it. I've got myself a massive strainer for this one. Oof. Now, when you've got some of that sort of jammy ketchup in there, it will make the drink a bit thicker, so the strain might take a little bit longer. That's why I'm just using a spoon there. Bosh. And then this part. And that's it. Simple as that. That is your spicy daiquiri. Now finally, we're doing a blended strawberry daiquiri. So that's gonna chill right there. Just chilling right there. And this is a blended drink, so It's gonna go into our blender. When I'm making a blended cocktail, like a blended daiquiri, I like to use a darker rum because I think you get more flavor from the rum coming into the drink as opposed to a lighter rum. So I'm using Kraken Black Spice rum. And I'm doing a large measure of that bad boy in there. And then we've got some strawberry puree. If you don't have strawberry puree, you can use fresh strawberries. Just chuck a couple of strawberries in there. And then you need a little bit of sugar as well, just to bring out the flavor of those strawberries. I am gonna chuck in just a dash of sugar for my one. Then the 25 mils, dash more of lime juice and ice.
Now we must blend. Let the blending commence. Commence blending.
And now we're blending. Now the best part of the job. With the strawberry daiquiri, what we want to do is get a sugar rim on that glass. So get yourself any kind of granulated sugar. If you've got brown sugar, that will also work well. You can get a piece of lime like this and just rub that around the rim of the glass. Very simple, very old school way of doing this. And then you just dip that in your sugar. Ooh. And that just comes out looking fan-fucking-tastic, doesn't it really? Daiquiri that's nice and creamy and yummy and ooh, yes. That bit was for me. Now the garnish, what we're gonna make is a strawberry rose. So to make the strawberry rose, what you do, you get your strawberry and you're gonna cut down. So you cut on the edge to fan it out, and this edge, fan it out. This edge, fan it out. This edge, fan it out. And then you do the opposite corners. So we've done those. And that's the corner there. So you do down on there, fan it out. Same again, boom. It's looking splendid. And stuck a little stick through it. I'm just gonna sit that on top of the drink. And that is a strawberry daiquiri. 3 daiquiris, 3 different flavors, very easy to make. You can make them at home right now. All you need is rum, lime, and sugar. Rum, lime, and sugar. Everyone should have a bottle of rum at home. If you don't, what are you doing? I'm sure everybody's got some form of sugar at home. If you don't have sugar syrup, any other sugar will do to sweeten up the cocktail. And lime. If you don't have lime, you can even try and use lemon. Cool, simple as that. Thank you very much indeed. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to hit that like button. Looks like that. Exactly. And subscribe, I would really, really appreciate it as well. Let me know what you think in the comments box below. I'm here if you've got any questions, comments, or suggestions. And thank you very much for watching all the way until the end. And until next time, I'll see you tomorrow, because if you don't know, I'm posting a video every single day at the moment because I've got nothing else better to do. So I'm here for you every single day. If there's something you want to see on the channel, let me know. Until then, see you tomorrow. Okay. Kiss me.